they tell you not to change anything in a business for a whole year. I don't know if you told me that, but I
No,
think
some people
Nolan.
will say 6 months, some will say a year. My opinion is if it's something major, then change it immediately.
Yeah.
Otherwise, sit on it maybe
Yeah.
for a little while before you do it.
So, because I have like a marketing background and also like a user design journey background of understanding somebody's like initial experiences to prompt you to then go through a journey with a company and like what does it look like to come out the other side. So like are you a lead generation? Are you purchasing something? Are you just coming to browse? Like what are the outcomes? So one of the things that I noticed pretty much at the start was that this generation of customers is very different than previous generations of like the systems that were built to support the flow of a customer when they interact with us and when they come in the store. So that was like one of the first things that I changed. So like for instance, when we had a customer come in and they would check in at the front desk and then they would get assigned a bride, that would take 13 minutes. The entire appointment is an hour and a half. So you just spent 13 minutes not making any actionable progress to get to the goal of the customer first.
And the customer's already coming in nervous.
Right, yeah. And she's been in the car for a while with her mom, and they're probably stressed out. And we have a lot of brides that actually drive themselves, so they don't have to be in the car with anybody, which I think is hilarious. So yeah, that was like a thing. And they're used to like being able to go on Amazon and click a button and they get what they want then. And that's not happening anywhere in the journey here. So that was like a thing that I recognized that we really had to pay close attention to my customer's journey with us. And I've made a lot of changes there. So now the check-in process takes 3 seconds. So massive change there.
Yeah.